Good morning, students. So many students have sent few doubts. So if you have doubts, I will explain. After that, we can start a new topic. Okay. So 2D into or 3D into 2D. 3D into 2D or 2D into 3D. Or 2D into 3D. So in this case, I have told you general method. Ones place first and ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is for 3D into 3D, right? So 2D into 3D into 2D or 2D into 3D. All these kind of problems, you have to convert them into 3D into 3D by adding 0. That's it. ఇక్కడ 0 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఈ 27 ముందు 0 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. By adding 0 before multiplier or multiplicand. మల్టిప్లయర్ కానీ మల్టిప్లికెంట్ కానీ 0 యాడ్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనం we can convert those 2D into 3D or 2D into 3D, 3D into 2D or 2D into 3D, converted as 3D into 3D. Remember that. So you can handle ones place digit first, ones and tens, ones, tens and hundreds, and tens and hundred, finally 100, like this. Is it clear, everyone? So ones place digits only vertical, ones place and tens place cross multiplication, ones place, tens place, hundreds place cross and vertical. I have explained. Next, tens and hundred cross, hundreds vertical. I hope you understand very clearly without any doubt. So complete these problems and tell me the answer. This is A, This is B. Even 3D into 4D or 4D into 3D, 4D into 5D or 5D into 4D. By adding 0, you have to convert it as 4D into 4D. This. Convert them into 4D into 4D by adding 0, or convert them into 5D into 5D by adding 0. Clear? This is general method. We have base method also. With that base method, we can do very easily than this, but you feel little different. So before that, you must learn this general method properly. So this is the process to convert them into 3D into 3D or 4D into 4D or 5D into 5D. So you have to add 0 left side to the number, not right side. If you write right side, that digit value, that number value will change. If you add 0 to the, for example, 34 is there. If you add 0 here, it will become 340. If you add 0 here, value will not change to the 34. That is the reason. Add 0 to the left side of that number. Clear? You can write. Okay. Only Poonam Das and Suresh. Okay, this is the method to convert these 3D into 2D or 2D into 3D into 3D into 3D, and 3D into 4D or 4D into 3D into 4D into 4D, 4D into 5D or 5D into 4D into 5D into 5D. This is the method. Okay. Next. జస్ట్ జీరో యాడ్ చేసుకొని మల్టిప్లయర్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికెంట్ సేమ్ డిజిట్స్ ఉన్న నెంబర్స్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ బోత్ మల్టిప్లయర్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికెంట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ by adding 0 at left side. Remember, you have to add at left side only, then only value will not change. Okay, first one answer is 6072. Next one answer 12501. Okay, you can check your answers using digital route. That's it. Next shall I go to next topic? Yes. Now multiplication base method. Multiplication base method. Concentrate here. If you find multiplicand and multiplier both nearest to any base, I mean nearest to any 10 multiple or 100 multiple or 1000 multiple, we can do this multiplication very easily than general method. This method is easier than general method. Okay, so for example, case A, above base. Note it down first, I will explain later. For example, 14 into 12. We have teens into teens. Same method you can apply here, but this is base method. So these two multiplier and multiplicand both are nearest to 10, multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000 you can check, or you can check multiples of 20, multiples of 10, like that. Okay, so these both are nearest to 10. So what is the difference between this base? You can take base as 10 here because these two are nearest to 10. So you can take base 10. You can take 10 as base. So difference is 4. This difference is 2. Both numbers are above base numbers. That is the reason I wrote here as above base. Above base. So base is 10. Okay. So both numbers are above base. Answer format is note it down carefully. Answer will be in two parts.